Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete user profiles in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Edge, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select profiles. In here you can able to see the profile or here. You just need to click on this three dot icon next to the profile icon and select remove, and this will permanently delete browsing data like favorites, history and passwords from this device. However, any data that was previously synced to your profile will remain associated with your Microsoft account. You just need to select remove profile and that will be removed guys. And that's how you delete a user profile in the Microsoft Edge. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.